Viewing my Coca-Cola can in the rain on the deck.
Okay.
And behind that is the deck. And then, oh no. Well, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's our rain dance. Do your rain dance. Ready? And umba jawa uka para ita mana kara para ikazina raba. It's working. It's raining. It's raining. Woo. We like rain. You know, I find it so funny because when we were over there, it used to be raining all the time, and we used to get real sick of it. And then when it rains over here, we're like, rain more, rain more.
Yes. Hi.
Oh, Scooter. Hey, I nearly said Scooter Girl, but that sounds dangerously close to Hooter Girl. Whoa! Hey, get back here. Well, I can't really see them over there. They've gone over by the gate. So we'll just focus on some lovely trees. Ah, da 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 da. Oh, you made the camera knock. Where are you?
Nowhere.
Oh, somebody's come back. There it is. Hello.
Hola.
And what can I get for you today?
Well, I would like a big ranch with horses, and cows, and I don't know.
So you'd like a foot long with beef, horse and ranch. What bread?
Pasture.
What? Whole wheat it is. Yes? What can I get for you?
A cheese. Okay, I'll make a cheese ham butter sandwich.
Cheese ham butter sandwich?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye-bye.